How to insert image in Word document app on phone. So all you have to do is to go here to your Microsoft Word application immediately and go here to your blank document. So to be able to add an image, or insert an image, here you will see these options, right? You'll see your keyboard, and above that you'll see a lot of options here. So what you're gonna do is to just swipe through this up until you see this icon here and click on that icon, and it will immediately redirect you here to your photos or to your gallery. So you can actually sort it out to albums or photos. Just make sure that the image is saved to your gallery. And for example, let's say this one. Click on the images that you want to add. So for me, I just want to add one image here. Say this image. And then on the upper right, you'll see the add option here. Click on that. And as you can see, you have successfully added an image, and you can even resize it and move it all around here. Resize, resize. And if you wish to edit the image, so what you're going to do is to just click on the image here, and then you can edit it here by cropping or editing the image, or how do you want it to be wrapped around the text. And basically, that is it. That is how you insert image in Word document app on phone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.